Earlier today, OnePlus released its first official teaser for its next flagship, the OnePlus 6T. Apart from confirming the name, the teaser also hints at the phone coming with an in-display fingerprint scanner. The 6-second video is an animation that shows a shield with a T inscribed on it and a text that says "Unlock the future." At the end, it reveals the device's name is the OnePlus 6T. The accompanying text with the tweet says it's coming. OnePlus 6T is expected to debut on October 17th. The handset is expected to sport a display design that is very similar to the Oppo R17. The rear design of the OnePlus 6T will be almost same as the OnePlus 6, but it won't be featuring a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. The reason behind it is that the Chinese manufacturer has already confirmed that the OnePlus 6T will be equipped with an in-display fingerprint scanner. The OnePlus 6T renders reveal that it will come equipped with a water drop notch display, like the Oppo R17 and Oppo F9. Hence, the smartphone is expected to boast the higher screen space than the OnePlus 6. The rear side of the phone features a vertically aligned dual-camera system on the upper half, followed by the company's logo. Apart from axing the regular fingerprint scanner from the rear of the OnePlus 6T, the Chinese firm has also removed the 3.5mm headphone jack, and OnePlus fans are not very happy about it. Hence, the upcoming OnePlus flagship phone is likely to feature a 6.4-inch, AMOLED screen just like OnePlus 6. Rumors have it that the 6.5-inch optic AMOLED screen of the OnePlus 6T will carry support for Full HD Plus resolution and an aspect ratio of 19.5 by 9. It is also rumored to feature Gorilla Glass 6 screen protection. The Snapdragon 845 chipset is expected to power the OnePlus 6T. It may arrive in 3 models, such as 64GB storage plus 6GB RAM, 128GB storage plus 8GB RAM, and 256GB storage plus 8GB RAM. For photography, it may come equipped with 16MP plus 20MP dual camera setup, like the OnePlus 6. It may also borrow the 20MP selfie snapper from OnePlus 6. The OnePlus 6T may feature a slightly larger battery than the OnePlus 6. It is likely to arrive with Oxygen OS 9, that flavored Android 9. So guys, what's your opinion on the design of the OnePlus 6T? Will you consider buying it, considering the fact that it won't be coming with the 3.5mm audio jack? Share us your thoughts by posting your comments down below. So guys, what do you think about this phone? Share your opinion down below. And thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.